I believe there's need for balance even when it comes to a digital migration, because sometimes too much isolation, we've seen the negative effects of that, even in mental health and other things. So as Africa Digital Media Institute is going digital, how will we still maintain a community for our students, for ourselves? How do we still maintain that human connection that we are definitely going to lose by not being so in person?
Yeah. Oh, yes. So we move more from a school to a learning hub, right? So we still have the practical element, which is one of our pride. That will continue. So as you do your online learning, we will have boot camps where students will be able to come in for certain weeks, times in between the course. You're able to come in and do practical sessions. In a physical space, so that will bring back that in-person, hands-on learning, and then now focusing on other things that we can do together in our community. Yeah, so the ADMI community still continues to stand. We probably now need to be more intentional when we call for meetups, when we call for networking events, when we say we have showcases. It's just a matter of now being very intentional and everyone coming together, because that continues. The ADMI community will still continue to thrive because we need to bring us together still. So that will not end, that will continue.
How would you describe the value of ADMI plus a WOLF certification to someone who's comparing universities now?
I would say one, of course I would be biased because I know ADMI offers high quality education. We know that we do have an impact, a huge impact, in the 25,000 people that we have trained so far. So now imagine that plus an EU quality assured standard level of education. That's it. That's what I'd say. It would be what ADMI is known for, what we have been doing really, really well, plus now even higher quality standards. That's a game changer for sure.